Ladies and gentlemen, it's Aaron and we're back again with another video for high quality maintenance. So today we are working on a dishwasher. Now the client called me and said, hey, I'm having some trouble with my dishwasher. It's not draining. So I opens it up and as you can see, it's still some water down here. So the first step you want to take whenever you get a call as far as a dishwasher not draining is make sure that the garbage disposal is working, because what happens is once these drain, they drain into the garbage disposal, and if that's clogged up or if it's jammed or something, it won't drain. And most of the time, you know, because it'll back up on the other side. So first we're going to check the garbage disposal, make sure it's coming on. So the garbage disposal works. So we know we're good there. So now the second thing I'm going to do is open it up from the bottom. Well, no, I'm not going to do that because I can actually get to it here. But now I'm going to open it up here and remove this plug here to make sure that there's no blockage there and get it drained. So I'm going to turn on the wet vac and get that drained. We'll get it cleared. Okay, so there's the water. I'm not going to actually stick my hand there and see if there's a blockage, but as you can see, there is the water that was previously in there is gone. So now I'm going to run it and then set it to the drain cycle and make sure it drains. So we want to reinstall this back into where it comes from. All right, so got it closed and everything. Now I'm going to start. I'm not going to do a 1 hour wash, but it's on normal, heat dry, and start. So, gonna let it fill up with some water, and then we're gonna see if this baby drains. Alright, so the dishwasher is going. I checked that there's water in it, so now I'm about to hit the X button and here it drains. Cancel. Alright, and you can also see through here too if it's draining. You can look through there. You see. I think that's the hole, but yeah. I don't see any water coming out yet. Okay, so that hose is not the issue. So the next step we do, and before we go to electrical problem, the first thing I like to do is always check to make sure that there is no blockage anywhere before, you know, just making sure it's an electrical problem. So now I'm about to open it up down here. Just trying to make sure that's not hot. So what I do is open it up down here. Hold on, I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. Now here's the next step I go to. I just took off. This is where it drains from actually in here to the pump, and that's when the pump and then pushes it to the pushes it to the garbage disposal. So I'm gonna get in here, and if that isn't right, I'll eventually take off this screen here like this. Take off this screen. As you can see, that can also have an issue, you know, but it's not as bad that will make it not drain. So yeah, I'm gonna drain here and we're gonna run it again and see what we get. Okay guys, so I forgot to start filming before I started. My apologies. But it ended up being the drain pump. And how I figured that out was because I blew out the lines and everything of the line that connects to the garbage disposal and also the line that connects to the pump and motor. And let me turn on my light. And that is that pump there. So if you can see my hand, that's what, so it's right there at the pump. So I'm gonna take this out, remove it, and then repair that pump. I got the new part already, and then she'll be draining. So I'm getting started. So, got it out. I got the old one out, so now I'm going to start the new one. It's a new one. Propeller's good. Alright, let's do this. So I got the new pump in, and now I'm about to reconnect everything and we'll see what happens next. So let's get started. Everything's put back together. It's going now. Let's hit drain. You hear that? Alright guys, we are now draining. You can see the water going down into the drain. And this was full of water, so got that pump changed and you can hear it. See, you can hear the water. Water going down there. So we're good to go.